Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about cells in our blood. This include RBCs, WBCs and platelet and WBCs types. First we are discussing about RBCs, are also called as erythrocytes. Their number is 4.8 million per microliter in females and 5.4 million per microliter in males. RBCs are more in males because RBCs is directly related with the blood. In the males, the blood is compared to the female is more. Characteristics of RBCs include 7 to 8 micrometer diameter and it is biconcave in shape, disc-like and without nuclei. It is very important that RBCs are without nuclei and their lifespan is about 120 days. Function: RBCs contain hemoglobin and which transport oxygen to whole body, and the part of carbon dioxide in the blood is also transported by the RBCs. Leukocytes are also called as white blood cells. These cells are related to our immunology, and if any disease occur, there is a large fluctuation in WBCs occur. The overall WBC count is 5,000 to 10,000 microliter per microliter. They must live for few hours to few days, combat pathogens and other foreign substances that enter to the body. Granular leukocytes. Leukocytes are differentiated into granular and agranular. Granular contain neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, and agranular leukocytes contain lymphocytes and monocytes. Neutrophils. Granular leukocytes, which include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Neutrophils their number is 60 to 70% of whole WBCs. Their number is larger than other WBCs types. They are 10 to 12 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus is 2 to 5 lobe connected with a strand of chromatin, and cytoplasm have very fine and pale iliac granules. Neutrophils, because they having 2 to 5 lobes of nucleus, also called as a polymorphonuclear, which means they contain more than 3 lobes. They are phagocytosis. Their function is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means digestion of foreign body, which is threat to our body. Destruction of bacteria with lysosome. Lysosome is also called as suicide bag in our body. Defensins and strong oxidants such as superoxide ions, hydrogen peroxides, hydrochloride anion. Second one is eosinophils. Their number is 2 to 4% of all WBCs. 10 to 12 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus usually have 2 lobes connected by the thick strand of chromatin. Chromatin connect the strand of nucleus. They are large, red-orange granule filled with cytoplasm. Combat the effect of histamine in allergic reaction and phagocytes antigen-antibody complex. Antigen and antibodies are formed when our body is combat with new pathogen or viruses. Antibodies are formed in our body and which form antigen-antibody complex to destroy that pathogen and destroy certain parasitic worms. Eosinophil count increases when there is any allergic reaction. Basophil, their number in all types of WBCs, their number is very less, 0.5 to 1% of all WBCs. Their size is 8 to 10 micrometer diameter and their nucleus has a 2 lobe. Larger cytoplasmic granule appear deep blue and purple. Liberate heparin, histamine and serotonin in allergic reactions that intensify the overall inflammatory response. Means basophil secrete that heparin, histamine and serotonin, which are involved in the allergic reaction when there is any allergy occur in our body. Second type is agranulocytes, which contain lymphocytes, T cell or B cell, and natural killer cells, and monocytes. Agranular leukocytes, in which lymphocyte their size is 20 to 25%. Their percent is 20 to 25% of all WBCs. Small lymphocytes are 6 to 9 micrometer in diameter, and large lymphocytes is 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter. Means lymphocytes are also, they are small and they are also large in diameter. Nucleus is round and slightly indented. Cytoplasm from a rim around the nucleus that looks sky blue and large the cell. More cytoplasm is visible. They mediate immunoresponse, include antigen-antibody reaction. B cell develop into plasma cells which secrete antibody, and T cell attack invading viruses, cancer cells and transplant tissue cells. Natural killer cell attack the wide variety of infectious microbes and certain spontaneously arising tumor cells. Tumor cells are related to cancer. Natural killer cells are destroying cells of cancerous cells. They destroy cancerous cell. That's why natural killer cells are very important. And B cells are also called as a memory cells, which uh, require for the antibody formation for the previous attack virus. And T cell attack invading viruses, cancer cells and transplant tissue cell. When there is a organ transplant, on any organ transplant, T cells are very important in that topic, because T cell attack the foreign organ because of their inability to match with our body. Monocytes, their number is 3 to 8% of WBCs, but their size is on 12 to 20 micrometer diameter, which means monocytes are very large cells in WBCs. Their nucleus is kidney shape or bean shape, or also called as a horseshoe shape. Cytoplasm is a blue-gray and has a foamy appearance. Phagocytosis is their main function after transforming into fixed wandering macrophage. Monocytes at the site of infection form macrophage. Macrophage is nothing but the monocyte. Platelet. Platelet are required for the clotting of the blood. Their count is 1,50,000 to 4 lakh per microliter. Their size is 2 to 4 micrometer diameter. Cell fragmented that live for 5 to 9 days. Contain many vesicles but no nucleus. Rbcs and platelet does not contain nucleus. From platelet plug in hemostasis release chemical that promote vascular spasm and blood clotting. These are the processes in the blood clotting where the platelet perform their role. There is a WBC count. Their high count may indicate and their low count may indicate. We can see one by one. Neutrophils. Neutrophils high count indicate that there is a bacterial infection or burn, stress or inflammation. Any inflammation which cause neutrophils to increase. Low count may indicate radiation exposure, drug toxicity, vitamin B12 deficiency, systematic lupus erythematosus SLE. This all condition down the count of neutrophils. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes increases because of viral infection and some leukemias, means decrease in the count of RBCs, or uncertain or increase in the count of WBCs called as a leukemia. Prolonged illness, immunosuppressions or treatment with cortisol, that condition cause lymphocyte to decrease. Monocyte. Viral fungal infection can increase the count of monocyte to phagocyte the viral infection or fungal infection. Tuberculosis, TB, some leukemias, other chronic diseases are responsible for the high count of monocytes. Bone marrow suppression, treatment with cortisol are the reason for low count of monocyte. Eosinophil combat the allergic reaction. At the time of allergic reaction, parasitic infection and autoimmune disease, the eosinophil count increases, and drug toxicity and stress cause eosinophil to decrease. Basophils are increased during the allergic reaction, leukemias, cancer, and hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism means decrease in the secretion of thyroid gland. At the time of pregnancy, ovulation, stress, or hyperthyroidism means increase in the secretion of thyroid gland, cause basophil to low the count. These are all cell, their function, in what time their count get increased and at what time their count get decreased. All these are very important for the NEET and pharmacy point of view. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.